Hey guys, it's Hamza with another crypto video. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you everything about Plasma. We're gonna show you how to add it to your MetaMask wallet. We're gonna show you how to bridge it over, and we're gonna do a trade live with XPL Plasma right here in this video. So first things first is that we need to add it to a wallet. Now, my favorite wallet is MetaMask with Ethereum, Binance, and now Plasma. I do use Phantom for my Solana. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna add it to the MetaMask wallet, and then we're gonna bridge it from the Phantom wallet. Okay, so we're gonna go step by step. Keep up with me. The first thing is we're gonna go to chainlist.org right here, chainlist.org, and we're gonna make sure you have a MetaMask wallet. If you don't have a MetaMask wallet, I do have a tutorial of how to do a MetaMask wallet in 2025. It's in my past videos. Okay, so after you download the MetaMask wallet, make sure that you go to chainlist.org, and we're gonna right here search Plasma, and it's gonna pop out for you right here, Plasma mainnet. Now you click connect wallet, and it's gonna connect to 3 wallets. Is either your Trust wallet or your MetaMask. I'm gonna choose MetaMask, and I'm gonna say connect, and it's gonna connect it right here. You need to approve the URL that they're giving you, and after that you'll see your MetaMask address right here. Do you want to include the testnet? You can, but you don't have to. Okay, after that you go right here, and you can see that that is your XPL wallet. It's already added for you over there, right? So there's no need to do anything more. Your XPL address will be available right here. Okay, all you need to do is just click it, and it says address copied. Now I have bridged here before, so that I have $170 worth of XPL on my account. Now the second step to do to get money into your account is to bridge from one wallet to the other. The example that I'm using today is going to be Solana with Phantom wallet, and I'm gonna bridge it over MetaMask. That is the best way to do it. You can do it from any other wallet. Okay, and we're gonna go to this website. It's called deeprich.finance. Now there's a lot of websites. This one is the one I use because it has so many options. We're gonna connect our wallet. So the wallet that you want to transfer from is the wallet you should be connected to. So I'm gonna transfer from Phantom, so it's gonna approve my Phantom wallet. After I type in my password right here, make sure that you have some Solana, Ethereum, whatever that you want to transfer. Make sure it's on your wallet. Okay, so I connected the wallet right here, and I want to transfer from the Solana network. So you're gonna type in chain name. We're gonna do Solana right here. Okay, and we're gonna connect the wallet. Okay, which I already connected to, and it right here is gonna read how much you have in the wallet. So we have 4.6 Solanas, and we're gonna receive XPL. So right here you would want to change it to the chain name is Plasma. Okay, XPL is the token, Plasma is the chain. So we're gonna click Plasma right here. Okay, and you're gonna get XPL. Now how much am I gonna transfer? I'm gonna transfer 4.5 Solana, which is $942. Okay, enter the Plasma address. This is important. This is the one I just told you about earlier in the video. This is your Plasma address, so you just need to copy it and paste it right here. Okay, after that it's gonna confirm the trade is routing, right? It takes like 2 seconds to do this. You're gonna confirm the trade. After you confirm it, it's gonna allow it in the process. All you're gonna do is sign and proceed. You're gonna confirm the message from the Phantom wallet, and you're gonna confirm it again. All right, you're gonna confirm twice. Okay, after that it says order created, transaction broadcasted, and order fulfilled. It's usually super fast. It might take sometimes 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I bridged like $5,000. It took about 5 minutes. Do not panic. Your order is there at all times. So if you don't see your order, you just go to my statistic right here, and it'll tell you what happened with your trades, right? You see that? Your latest trades is 4.5 Solana. You're gonna get 776. It's fulfilled. Now we go to our MetaMask, and you see the money is there. right? It took literally seconds to transfer the money. So make sure it says fulfilled right here. Sometimes it says fulfilled and unlocked or fulfilled pending, something like that. That means it's on our way. It's on its way to being transferred. Do not panic. These guys, this deep bridge is very, very helpful. I've never had a bad transaction with them. Okay, so after we bridge, you can close this out. You don't need it anymore. All right, we're gonna go to Plasma, and we're gonna on Dex Screener, right? And you want to buy a token that you've heard about from your friend or a group, right? There's a couple of coins that are really trending on the Plasma network. Now, 3 days ago, these were popping off. Right now, they're cooled off. They're like 50-60% down of their regular price. I like it around this price because once a chain comes out, it's really popular, and then it slows down all the way. So this chain has really a big potential to have some really good meme coins on there, just like Base, just like Ethereum, just like Binance Chain. It's interesting to see where this goes. It might be another memes chain. You know, we have memes on Ethereum and we have memes on Solana and BSC. This might do the same thing, right? So it's always worth it to have one meme coin that first launched on the chain, so you can be like, all right, this one might pop off. All right, so we're gonna go with trillions, right? I'm gonna buy some trillions in front of you. Now, this is not financial advice. Do not buy trillions, because I'm buying trillions. I'm buying trillions so I can show you how to trade. Now, after you go to anything you want to buy, right, you're gonna go to Dex Screener, Plasma, and then when you're right here, go to Oku. Do your own research swap. Gets you to Kyber swap, and it's not working properly right now. So let's try this one. We're gonna trade, and we're gonna open up the URL right here, and it's gonna take you to OKU trade. All right, we're gonna connect the wallet to MetaMask, and we're gonna connect it right here. You're gonna approve, okay, and we're gonna do popular chain, Plasma, and we're gonna it detects how much plasma you have. We're gonna go right here, and it tells you what trending coins are on the network, right? So we're gonna select trillions, and we're gonna do 500 XPL, okay, and it's gonna tell you what the best gas. Now, we were on Kyber swap and it wasn't working. Properly. You could do it on Uniswap, or you can do it with 0x. We're gonna sign in and continue. We're gonna confirm the trade. It tells you what route is taken for the gas fee, and we're gonna swap right here, okay? And we're gonna confirm it and approve it with the wallet. Your transaction is in progress, and right there. Now, we already bought trillions. As you can see, it is in my wallet, right? I bought it at all-time high, by the way. I am losing big time. I'm averaging down right now. So you will not see it in your MetaMask wallet because you have to add it manually. It's a bit laggy. It just launched 2 days ago, so just wait for stuff to update. You can see it in your wallet, in your MetaMask, not in your MetaMask. You can see it in your Oku wallet or Kyber swap or Uniswap. Alright guys, so I showed you how to add it to your MetaMask. I show you how to deep bridge, and I show you how to buy coins on Plasma. I think that's it for today. If you have any more questions, please join my Telegram or my Skool network. It is your boy Hamza Al Asfar. Thank you for watching, and Assalamu alaikum.